So while I was testing these micro switches, I did find one that's faulty. So here I have my multimeter set to 200 ohms, and I'm gonna hook these leads up to these terminals, and I'm getting no reading. When I push this down, it should read about 1.2. And as you can see, this is a faulty switch. And it was bouncing all over, so what I did is I opened this up, and after I had this opened up, and you just use your fingernails to pry along that seam. So this opened up, I have one of the metal pieces here, and what I did is this contact right here, just use a piece of sandpaper, got it so it's nice and shiny. I used the needle nose pliers, so you got to be careful because this little head right here will spring load and shoot on you, so pull that out nicely, set that somewhere, and then I used the needle nose pliers to pull this out, and then I sanded that contact that's on the inside. There's two contacts, there's one here and then there's one right in there as well. So I sanded both those down, and then I reassembled this. So I got those wires in, and then I have my cover, piece those back together, and it had a burn on it and was not getting a reading, and now when I put this down, I'm getting a reading. So again, this would be a workable multi-switch, and I could continue to use this. It might be safe to order a new one just in case. I'm not sure how long this will last, but it may last indefinitely. Thanks for watching. Check out one of my other microwave repair videos.